Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to buy Bitcoin on Newton. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to buy Bitcoin in the first place. Bitcoin is a digital currency, or cryptocurrency, that's been around since 2009. It's decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any one government or institution. This makes it a very attractive investment for people who are looking for an alternative to traditional currencies. Bitcoin is also very volatile, meaning its price can fluctuate wildly. This can be both a good and a bad thing. On the one hand, it means that you could make a lot of money if you buy Bitcoin when the price is low and sell it when it's high. On the other hand, it also means that you could lose a lot of money if the price goes down. So, if you're thinking about buying Bitcoin, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get into how to buy Bitcoin on Newton. 1. www.goodasia.info. www.goodasia.info. Create an account. The first thing you need to do is create an account on Newton. You can do this by going to the Newton website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Verify your identity. Once you've created an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to prevent fraud. You can verify your identity by providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Add funds to your account. Once your identity has been verified, you can add funds to your account. You can do this by using a credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Buy Bitcoin. Once you have funds in your account, you can buy Bitcoin. To do this, go to the Buy/Sell section of the Newton platform and enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase. Store your Bitcoin. Once you've purchased Bitcoin, you'll need to store it in a safe place. You can do this by using a wallet. There are a number of different types of wallets available, so you'll need to choose one that's right for you. That's it. You've now bought Bitcoin on Newton.